I'm on a mission. I'm made on a mission. I have a plan. I will destroy you. I have a plan. I will destroy you. I'm on a mission.
Na dada kwani aliacha miwani zake.
Francesca! Francesca!
Yes, madam.
Nakuita ukiwa wapi?
Nilikuwa kitchen, madam.
Unafanya nini kitchen wewe?
Nilikuwa naosha vyombo, madam.
Yaani hujaosha vyombo hadi saa hii?
Kumalizia.
Hebu kwanza weka hizi miwani za dad pale juu.
Sawa,
na hizi
madam.
Dawa zake.
Sawa, madam.
Asa kio unangoja nikwambie utoe?
Sawa, nitatoa,
madam.
madam.
Kazi yako wewe. Ujui kazi yako?
Pole, madam.
Hebu tengeneza. Yaani wewe umeketi tu starehe zako na huku vitu zinakaa venye. Ona kiti venye inakaa.
Pole, madam.
Can you go and do your work? Ama nisema ufutwe?
Madam.
Can you do your work? Ama urudi huko kwenu, sijui umetoka wapi wewe?
Sawa, madam.
Sawa, madam. Look at you. Ufanye kazi yako.
Sawa, madam.
Si kujifanya hapa kujifanya. Hebu tengeneza hii.
Sawa, madam.
Simu?
Sijali, madam. Haiwezi nisumbua.
Okay. Haya. Okay. Tengeneza vizuri. Kama hujui kazi useme. Na ile kofi umeachia nani huko?
Pole, madam. Nachukua, madam. Nikusahau tu. Na umeshinda kunisumbua. Nilikuambia kwa hii nyumba mimi nishaingia. Mission ya kwanza iko very much accomplished. Ni mimi na wao. I'm telling you the truth. Acha nikwambie. Si nishaingia kwa hii nyumba na huyo mwanaume ameanza kunitrust. Hey. Hajui chenye kimekifu. Hebu nitakupigia, nimesikia kama hapa kwa mlango kuna mtu. Nimesikia ni kama kuna mtu amegonganisha, lakini hope niko safe. Sasa vile nimekuambia nitawamaliza mmoja one by one, lakini kuna msichana mmoja ananisumbua akili. Huyo first born. Sijui ako university, sijui anaenda majuu. But ni mimi na yeye nitadili na yeye one on one. Sawa, nitakupigia na usinipigie tena please. Sawa.
Hi, good morning. How is it?
Francesca! Francesca!
Okay, let me call you back. My dad is here. Dad.
Mbona mnifunguli?
Nilikuwa naongea na yule
Good morning.
Good morning.
Hi.
Hi. Kwani umechoka aje, Dad? Mbona unayashinda hapo kuita huyo Francesca kama anaitwa aje?
She has not been easy.
How was the surgery?
Oh my God, the surgery went well.
What?
Yes. The kid is now stable. He is stable.
Hey.
We are able to do that surgery. We are doing a heart bypass.
Francesca!
Well.
Francesca! Francesca!
Yes, ni mapema sana.
Okay, it's okay.
Yeah, ni mapema sana. Pengine
na mimi nishamka, Dad. Na mimi silipu na
pengine ni vile nataka tu kurefresh kidogo kama ako bafu.
Tujui
Around the house. Our house is big, of course.
Ni sawa. The surgery was nice, was well.
Your prayers really worked miracles.
I knew it. Ni God. Yeah.
Now I got the promotion.
What?
I'll be the head physician of the hospital. I'll be the head physician of the surgery department.
What?
Yeah.
Congratulations, Dad.
I'm so happy.
Oh my God.
I'm so happy.
Congratulations.
The promotion has made me so happy.
You deserve it.
That is why
you deserve everything, Dad. You're the best.
Thank you so much.
Sitoe hii.
Na kwani
umechoka? Mbona huna nguo za nini?
Kwani you know,
mbona huna uniform?
I had panic because of the surgery. It was very hectic. Tulimaliza around 3 a.m.
3?
I didn't want to come here and start waking you up. I went to a hotel. I had to buy new clothes. No, I need to refresh. Nikianguka kwa barabara. I was so sleepy. I was tired. I had to look for some shelter.
Oh, so you slept in the hotel?
Yeah, so finally I'm here.
Yeah.
I have a day off, so I want to go and...
You do?
Yes, I do.
Daddy-daughter thing.
Oh my God. No, I will rest for some time, like 2 hours. Around 11 a.m. I'm going to take you somewhere. Where's Mwende? Tell Mwende that you're going somewhere.
Mwende? Okay, I don't know. Maybe she's sleeping or something. I don't know. But
let her rest.
Francesca! Okay.
Francesca!
Achana naye kwanza. I had forgotten. So, Dad, I want to tell you something.
Yes, tell me, my daughter.
So, and I want you to listen to me.
Okay. Is anything the issue? Are you okay?
No, I'm okay. I'm fine, Dad. Relax, Dad. Come on.
Are you fine?
I'm okay.
Yeah. The
fine.
heart is okay.
I'm fine. So,
tell me.
I want to tell you something.
Yes.
And please, Dad, listen to me. You know I'm your daughter.
You might, of course, definitely.
I'm your firstborn daughter, so you just listen to me. Give me your ears because I have something to tell you. So, about who you made when you ulileta huku Francesca.
So, Jerry, it's about Francesca again.
Dad,
Jerry, how many times have I told you not to discuss about her?
Dad, you promised that you listen to me, so please listen to me. Listen,
so,
just listen.
Okay. What did she do again?
Ears. So, who you mama? Me, I'm not seeing her well because last night, no, Dad.
Mama, she's like your mother, Jerry.
She's not my mama.
She's like.
She'll never be my mama. She can never be my mama.
I know. Tell me.
Now listen, Dad. So last night, while I was sleeping, nikasikia kunywa maji. And kwa room yangu kukuwa na maji. So unfortunately.
Why, Jerry? I am a doctor. I have told you that you will get dehydration if you don't keep water in your room. Make sure that there is always water in your room. Dad, I have told you so many times.
I know.
It's okay.
I know.
If you suffer from dehydration and then you suffer stroke and you die, you know how much I love you.
I know, Dad.
So, okay. Cool. Sorry for overreacting. What I say? What happened?
So, I went to the kitchen to take some water. While I was coming back from the kitchen, while I was now going back to my room, I overheard Francesca speaking in the phone. Na venye alikuwa anasema, Dad.
What time was that?
It was around 2:30 usiku, Dad. And the way she was speaking, whatever she was saying, Dad, nikisema utasema namwekelea. So,
no, just tell me.
So, nilisikia akisema she was on the phone. Na ni usiku, Dad. Akisema, wewe ngoja, My first mission was to come in this house. Now hiyo nisha accomplish. The man of the house, now you dad, you, and I told you, the man of the house ananitrust kabisa. The other girl, when she's called Mwende, ananitrust kabisa. The problem is with this firstborn daughter. That's what she said. But she said, huyo achana na yeye. Huyu nitamuonyesha mimi ndo niko na yeye. And dad, let me tell you something. You see, the day before that night, Francesca alikuwa hapa akitengeneza biti. And she was called. Alikuwa anapigiwa simu every now and then. Alipigwa mara 6, mimi nikikaunta kikataa kupick. Something is fishy about her.
That's impossible.
No,
Okay.
That's what she said. Alisema the first mission accomplished. The man trusts me. The Mwende, the other daughter, trust me. The problem is with this firstborn daughter.
Okay. Jerry.
Jerry.
That you cannot lie. I trust you more than I trust myself. You are taking antidepressant medicine. Now you finished the dose?
Dad, really?
I think you are hallucinating.
Really?
You are hallucinating.
Really?
You are hallucinating. Are you sure you heard right?
Yes, I heard Francesca.
From the word
she
go.
was speaking on the phone.
No, Jerry.
I heard her, Dad.
You have a problem with that woman ever since I brought her to this house.
What other proof do you want?
Jerry, are you sure you are not night walking? I mean sleepwalking.
So you don't trust me?
I trust you.
You don't trust me because of a total stranger.
No, I do trust you, my daughter.
Dad.
I trust you, my daughter.
Dad, really?
But still,
really?
I can't bring myself to believe
but
that
it's
that
my
Francesca...
word against her.
No,
you can ask her.
No. Listen, what I am saying, I am trusting you 100%. But still, I can't bring my heart to believe that Francesca can do such a thing.
You have to, because that's what's happened last time.
I mean, she's so innocent.
Innocent, my foot, Dad.
No, I don't
that
believe
woman
it.
has a mission to destroy us.
I don't believe it. You had a problem with that woman ever since she came here.
Okay. You don't trust me, it's fine. But it's always
No, it's not like I don't trust you.
You don't.
I do, but you might also be wrong.
I am not wrong.
You
See,
might
I
be
heard
right.
with my ears, Dad.
Were you awake?
I was awake. I went to the kitchen.
Awake.
I was awake, Dad. What's wrong with that? I was awake.
Are you sure you heard the
one? You can call her Francesca.
No. Did you hear the ones right?
She said the first mission was to come into this house. Now I'm in. The mission is accomplished. The man trusts me. Mwende, the second daughter, trusts me. The problem is with this firstborn daughter. She does not trust me, but I will deal with her. Even though I say my dad.
How do I believe this?
Yes. No,
Francesca!
Choose your struggle.
Francesca! Oh, you're here.
And she's right.
Yes, sir.
Francesca.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sorry, nilikuwa nimelala sana sana. Nimelala jana kama nimefanya kazi mingi na kufua.
Yeah, of course I see the house is tidy.
Nimechoka.
Umezoea kazi hapa?
Sawa kabisa.
Do you have a problem? Do you have any kind of stress here?
Sina shinda yoyote hapa, niko vizuri tu na wasichana wako tunasikizana vizuri kabisa.
Wako sawa?
Hata huyu first mbona ako sawa.
Yeah. So, Francesca.
Yes, sir.
Iwapi simu yako?
Simu yangu iko kitchen.
Iko kitchen? Unaongeanga na nani na simu ukiwa hapa kwa hii nyumba?
Sasa, si venye tulipatana na nilikwambia mimi sina familia.
So,
sina mtu yeyote.
Hauna mtu yeyote. Wewe unaongea usiku na yeyote?
Haiwezekani.
Apart from me, mimi naweza nikakupigia simu.
Haiwezekani sasa. Haiwezekani.
How comes ninaambia usiku ulikuwa unaongea na mtu? Who are you talking to at 2 a.m?
Labda nilikuwa naota juu mimi naotanga kwa nguvu sana.
I think she's right.
She's lying. You a liar.
Siwezi ndanganya sasa.
So unakuwa na shida ya kuota?
She's lying, Dad.
I think something is wrong.
She's lying.
No, can you sit here?
Mbona nakaa hapo? What's wrong with you?
Something might belong with her.
Niko sawa sasa.
But okay, no, have a seat. I was examining her. She's right. I don't think she's capable of hallucinations.
She's right.
So, okay. You just go. But I said I don't tolerate any mistakes. So,
Asante
I am the man of the house.
Kila kitu iko
I
sawa.
am the man of the house. And in case anything happens, I will not hesitate to kill someone. Yeah, don't.
Kitu iko sawa sasa.
Please don't misuse or misunderstand my goodness to you. I am a very bad person. Sawa? Yeah. As long as you keep doing what I want in this house, we will never fight. Sawa? So, wacha ninavyoambiwa by my daughter isikuwe ni ukweli.
Haiwezi.
Mungu asaidie isikuwe ni ukweli.
Na utanga tu usiku sana.
Sasa dad umemwamini. Ni sawa. You'll ask me one day. Na wewe. I'm watching you. Oh, dad. Okay, ni sawa. Enda. Okay, nitakuonyesha.